Hi everyone, I'm Amy Brower. I am from Doylestown, Pennsylvania, which is about an hour outside of Philadelphia. I earned my bachelor's degree in psychology from Westchester University in 2018, and I currently work as a cognitive therapist at a residential facility for people living with traumatic brain injuries. I also have experience working with individuals with Down syndrome as a behavioral therapist. Um, I'm excited to be starting this MSW program through Widener University. I believe I chose to enter this program at this point in my life cycle because it will allow me to further my career as well as to become the best clinician I can be for both my current and my future clients. Some things about me: I love to garden, I'm a total plant nerd, and I love to read because I feel knowledge is power, both of which I do in my free time, and they're both my therapeutic hobbies. And I'm just very excited to be starting the second course in the program, as well as getting to know all of you in the process.